Okay, guys, I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's all be excited. We're going to be developing this app that we talked about, which is going to be a note app. But the note is not going to be like any note. It's going to be notes where we can save our normal notes, text notes. We're going to be able to save the URL notes, and we're going to be able to save. What was the other one? We're going to save passwords. That's right, password notes. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. We're going to start by, this is the way I recommend it, create our workflow. So we got our workflow of our sign up and our login, our home, our loading page, and we have a profile that can be used to change your image. So now we're going to do is we're going to create the part in which we basically want to have the pages for creating a regular text note, for creating a URL save note, and for creating a password protected save note. Okay? And I'm not saying that this is going to be very secure, so don't think about that. That's really up to you, and you have to depend on that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for simplicity's sake, okay, for the first time, because you guys are here, I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. I'm going to add a new screen. We're going to have we're not going to have no title bar because we already got one over there. We're going to copy later. So I'm going to say new text note screen, okay? So it's going to be put right over there. And because we already have, and I'm going to do something quick. I'm just going to do a clone, so save ourselves time. So I'm just going to do a Control C or a Command C and Control V or Command V twice, so that we have our 3 different type of notes. So the first thing we're going to do, which we did in Series 3, we made this profile, or basically this, how do I call it? A themed type of screen, where every screen will have our picture profile at the top with the back button as a minimum. So I'm going to copy that with the Control C or Command C, because I use a Mac, and I'm going to do Command V, and I'm going to go over here and Command V, and we got our 2 basic screens ready to go immediately. Now, you know what's interesting thing I just noticed here is, why does this show white and this show black? Now, I'm assuming because it's not connected to anything. So let's just assume that. Okay, so we're going to go in here and we're going to go double click on this to get into this thing. And we're just going to say new text note. Okay? And over here, new URL note, or we can say new URL. How about new bookmark note? And then let's just copy this whole thing here. Control C, Command C, go over here, Control V. Now I gotta remember also to keep myself on track of the time. And so now we've created our 2 screens. This one will be our new password note. Maybe later we could do a more secure note type of thing. And then that's the first part of this thing. So let me see what time we're at right now. We're at 4 minutes. So what we're gonna do is, because when we have notes, we want to have we can do a couple of ways. We can say, let's have notes that are saved into our collection of different type of collections for different type of notes, or we can create one note collection that saves the different types of note types. So we can maybe try both. So we've created the 3 screens. Where did it go? Oh, I just know what just happened there. Like, it just changed theme on me. What in the world? It just changed theme on me. That's interesting. Now we all got green here. We maybe pushed some kind of shortcut by accident. I don't like this thing, so I'm going to quickly change the color to something I like. Yeah, I think it was something like that before. I don't know what that was, some kind of command stroke that I did. Okay, we're going to stop here, and the next one we're going to fill these out by deciding on the different collections we'll be using. Cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.